Yo, did you know this about white people? And I'm not being racist. These are some straight facts. Did you know this about the white gene? The non-melanated DNA is not from none of these continents. Not even from Europe. Man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'ma break this shit down for y'all. Even though we human, we just a species. And the melanated DNA versus the white non-melanated DNA is of two different species. And that's just what it is. Everybody around the world, you either dominated by the melanated gene or you dominated by the white non-melanated gene. It don't take no genius to understand what I'm about to show you. Some variations make an individual better suited to survive and reproduce in their environment. If this continues over generation, these favorable adaptations, the heritable features that aid survival and reproduction, will become more and more common in the population. Now, them heritable features is that beautiful melanin. That beautiful melanin that we inherited from being children of the sun. Melanin's primary function is to act as a natural sun shield, absorbing UV rays and protecting skin cells from damage. It also helps neutralize harmful molecules called reactive oxygen species, ROS, which can cause cell damage and aging, which explains why the non-melanated age faster than the melanated. Every summer, when the sun come back around, when the sun spin the bend, all non-melanated people all over the world have problems. Now shall I continue? A habitat is a place living organisms, plants, and animal species call home. Humans is part of that group too. The environmental conditions of a natural habitat are exactly what each species need to be able to survive and reproduce. And this is why I say we're two different species. Black and brown melanated people do not have them same problems in the sun, nor do we have the same problems reproducing. So while the sun take life from one species, it favors another species. Here goes some of the hottest places under the sun on Earth with some of the melanatedest people, and it's having the exact opposite effect on two different species. Fertility rate refers to the average number of children a woman gives birth to. If the fertility rate falls below approximately 2.1, then the size of the population starts to fall. So if that mark is below 2.1, let's just face it, you're on the verge of extinction. As you can see, all these places under the sun, melanated people is well over that 2.1 mark. The mark's actually 2.7 now. Now what you about to see is the predominantly non-melanated countries. Some of these colonized countries fall way below that 2.7 fertility rate, struggling to reproduce. Now, one species struggle to survive and struggle to reproduce, while the other species been surviving and reproducing for millions of years. Now, you tell me why that can be. It has nothing to do with culture, beliefs, religion, or diet. These is different non-melanated people, non-melanated countries who've been dominated and colonized by the European gene, by the European species, and now they suffer the European curse. And I know exactly where they came from. If you want to know more, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm about to take these fools back to school